Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your burgers juicy. First, let's talk about the foundation, your ground meat. For the juiciest burgers, always opt for ground beef with an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio. This balance ensures moisture and flavor. When forming your patties, be gentle. Overworking the meat can make them tough. Aim for patties about 3/4 of an inch thick, creating a slight indentation in the center to prevent bulging. Next, let's elevate the flavor and moisture with proper seasoning and clever additions. Season your patties generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right before they hit the heat. For an extra burst of juiciness, try placing a small pat of butter or even an ice chip in the center of each patty before cooking. You can also mix in finely minced onion or garlic to enhance both moisture and taste. Now for the cooking itself, which is crucial for a juicy burger. Start with a very hot cooking surface, whether it's a cast iron skillet or a grill, to achieve a beautiful sear. Resist the urge to press down on the patties, as this squeezes out precious juices. Flip your burgers only once during cooking. Use a meat thermometer to ensure they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and optimal doneness. Finally, the often overlooked but vital step, resting. After cooking, transfer your burgers to a plate and let them rest for at least 5 minutes. This allows the internal juices, which have migrated to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire patty. The result is a consistently juicy and flavorful burger from the first bite to the last. Serve immediately on a toasted bun with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.